Hey guys. So today is Saturday, August 14th, and I am officially 6 weeks out from my show, y'all. The weeks have flown by. Just 6 weeks, a month and 2 weeks. That's crazy. So I will insert a clip of my check-ins with my coach from yesterday. So now I'm checking in on Fridays versus on Saturdays. So he's able to get my updated workout and meal plan back to me by Sunday, because I like to go shopping on Sunday and get ready for the week. So that's one thing that has changed. My calories have dropped, so my macros are a little bit lower now, but we'll see what he does after this week. My weight didn't change much over last week, and I know that's partly due to my cycle being on, because I woke up and weighed myself this morning and I was a pound less than I was yesterday. So that's that. But yeah, I just finished doing my fasted cardio this morning. I have 35 minutes of fasted cardio for 5 days, and then I have post cardio for 35 minutes for 5 days as well. And this week I worked out for 5 days too, so it wasn't 6 days a week. This week it was only 5, but I think next week he's already sent me my updated workout plan. I can't view my meal plan yet. I don't know if it's a glitch with the app or what, so I might have to reach out to him if it doesn't show up by tomorrow. But yeah, so I see my workout, and I think it's 6 days. I'm pretty sure it's 6 days a week for next week. So that's that. All right, so I'm gonna try to take you along with me today. I have posing practice with my posing coach at 2, and yeah, so I'm about to go home and get my first meal in, and I will show you guys that. Much hasn't changed since my last first meal, so that you seen in my, I think I was 7 weeks out. I haven't picked up the camera since coming back from Florida, so this will be my first video since then. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I eat. Alright, so I'm here waiting on my posing coach to get here, meet me for my posing lesson. But while I wait, because I'm like 10 minutes early, I'm going to have my second meal, which is 4 ounces of turkey breast and 3 ounces of asparagus. Yum. I'm about over asparagus, y'all. I have asparagus with 3 of my meals, and I'm pretty much over it. So I'm gonna eat this and wait on her, and then I will check in with you guys. I'm trying to show you some of my posing lesson. And yeah, all right. Alright guys, so I'm back at home now from posing practice, and I'm getting ready to eat meal number 3 for today. I'm a little bit behind on my meals, but did wake up later than usual for when I'm working. But yeah, so right now I'm just cooking me some chicken. Again, I just have a little bit of garlic powder and paprika on there, and then I'm going to have green beans and rice with this meal. So that will be meal number 3. So that'll be meal number 3, and I will show you all that when I get it plated. And yeah, posing practice went well. I got a lot to work on. But I can see my little lines in my legs and stuff, so that's good with the adjustments that she's making. So yeah, I gotta show you, my post coach has her own apparel line, and she gave me a little set today, so I have to show you that. I'm so excited. So yeah, here's meal number 3, and I'm going to top it with some of this sugar-free barbecue sauce she used, just a serving size. And yeah, that's gonna be that. Alright guys, so it is late now. It's like 10:30, and this is my last meal of the evening. It is 4 ounces of white fish, which I'm pretty sure this is cod that I got, and 3 ounces of asparagus. And this is some of that same barbecue sauce I had earlier. I like to dip it in and give it a little flavor. Yes, I'm tired. Meals I missed. I didn't record meal 4. But meal 4 and 5 are the same thing. The only difference is meal 4, I get 8 almonds. So yeah, but it's the same thing. 4 ounces of fish and 3 ounces of asparagus. So I'm gonna eat this and then call it a night. And I will check in with you guys tomorrow when I have more energy. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and I just kind of wanted to wrap up the video. Yesterday I tried to do like a full day of eating for you guys, show you my meals throughout the day. I did miss one meal, and I mentioned that, but meal 4 and 5 are pretty much the same thing as I said. So I just wanted to kind of recap how prep is going for me. I am, as of yesterday, August 14th, I am 6 weeks out. So today is August 15th. And yeah, so we are trucking right along, 6 weeks out. I weighed in this morning at 122.5, I do believe. So the weight is steady coming off. I do believe for sure I'll be under 120 come my show day. So yeah. Like I said, my macros and calories have been cut. Can't remember exactly what it is, but I will list it on the screen like I did last time what my macros are. Of course, these are for me and not for anyone else. If you're trying to lose weight, you know, start at figuring out what your maintenance calories are and go from there. That's what I suggest. I hope you guys can see me. I feel like it's a little dark, but this is the best I can do. It's a little rainy day outside today, so. Okay, so I had mentioned yesterday also that my posing coach gave me one of her apparel sets, and this is it. So it's a little sports bra and shorts. Show you the back of the bra. Some little biker shorts. I don't know if you can see it. They come down like right here. I'll insert a picture so you all can see it better, but yes, I love it. It fits nicely. It is a little snug. It was kind of hard to get on. It's small. And so yeah, but it fits really nicely and holds everything in place. So that's good. I also wanted to show you guys some new supplements I picked up probably about 2 weeks ago. I had ran out of the fat burner that I was taking, and so I decided to give another one a try. And this is from the brand Fit Beauty, I do believe, or Beauty Fit. I'm sorry, Beauty Fit. And it is a woman-owned company, I want to say, so that's why I decided to give them a try. This is their Bcaas, y'all. They are so good. They're super sweet though. If you don't like sweet stuff, then you probably wouldn't want to try it. But it's fruity and sweet, and it is kiwi strawberry flavor. Let me see that. It's good. And then this is their Onyx, I want to say it's called. And this is a fat burner. So I'll see how this works. I just started taking it, I want to say last Wednesday. Yeah, last Wednesday. So, and a serving size, you start off with 1 and then you increase it to 2 after 3 days, depending on how your body reacts to it. So yeah, that's that. And y'all, I also won a Quest Nutrition giveaway on Instagram. And it was a chocolate lovers giveaway. I'm excited. I'm gonna show you what I got. So I got these Quest double chocolate chip cookies.
Hello.
What?
I have some leftover clothes.
What do you mean leftover clothes?
My drawers are full.
Okay, well just fold them up and put them in the basket and we'll figure it out. Alright, and I got the double chocolate chunk protein bars. Also got the Quest chocolate protein shakes. I got some fudgy brownie with almond candy bites. And crispy chocolate coconut bars. And some regular chocolate chip cookies. It says soft and chewy. And some peanut butter cups. I can't wait to try these. Also got some gooey caramel with peanuts bites. And I think this is the last thing. I got some chocolate caramel pecan bites. So yeah, I stacked up on this whole thing. I'm so excited. I think the ones I am most excited to try are probably the cookies and these candy bites. of course, the Reese cups. So, oh, and I also got a thing of chocolate protein powder, but that's downstairs. But yeah, and it's good. I've actually already tried that when it was on my meal plan last week. So yes, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to follow me along on my journey back to stage. Until next time, guys.